In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture or image in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your name here under your profile and then go to settings. Now under settings, you should be able to see your profile and you can see under your avatar. If you click on this, now you can go ahead and upload your avatar. So this will allow you to upload your image, and to do that, go to uploads. Now you'll be redirected to your computer. Go ahead and select the image that you wish to upload. In my case, I want to upload this, so click on open and now this will be added. You can go ahead and center your image just as you wish, and once you're done, go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, your profile image has been added here. However, we can't see it here. This is because I haven't saved these changes here. So go ahead and click on save changes, and now the profile image will be added successfully. So that's how you can change your profile image in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.